So in this video, I'll be starting a brand new Shopify dropshipping business with only $100 and attempt to take this business from $0 to over $2,000 in just 1 week. And I'll be doing it live with you completely from scratch and walk you through the entire step-by-step process. And by the end of this video, I'll reveal exactly what ends up happening to the dropshipping business and if it ends up making over $2,000, which hopefully it does. Okay, so I honestly am very excited to start this challenge because I do think it is very possible to start and scale a very successful business with just $100. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start a successful dropshipping business, but honestly that's not the case. But anyways, how this is going to work is first I'm going to find a good product to sell with a supplier. Then I'll be building a branded Shopify store. Then I'll be creating advertisements with my product and use different social media platforms to advertise my store. And the method that I'll be showing you in this video is the exact same method I use for my current successful dropshipping businesses. But anyways, the first thing I want to do right now is find a good product to sell. And honestly, as long as I can create viral videos with the product and it has demand, it should be a good product to sell. And usually I'm able to find all of my products on TikTok since that's where most dropshippers are advertising. So what I'm going to do on TikTok is to search up TikTok made me buy it, then click on the hamburger icon in the top right corner, then change date posted to this month. And basically now it's going to show you all relevant winning products that are selling this month. So anyways, I'm going to look through all these videos and see what I can find. So within a few minutes, I found this really good product here, but honestly, I actually had a different idea that I want to try out, and I think this will actually do really well. So recently, I've been creating a lot of different theme pages on TikTok, specifically in the money and motivation niche. Here's an example of a page that I would create on the platform, and these pages are honestly really easy to make and scale. And so I decided I might as well create a brand new page just like this one, and then pretty much just use this page to advertise a dropshipping product. And obviously I can't just sell any product, it does have to relate to my page. And so I was thinking a cool product that I could sell is these motivational canvases. And I think this would sell really well on a TikTok theme page in the money or motivation niche. But anyways, the next step is to actually find a good supplier with my product. And for this store, I'm going to be using the supplier Zendrop since they do have fast shipping times, which is ideal. Alright, so out of all the motivational canvases on Zendrop, I think I'm going to just go ahead and sell these 3 on my website. Now, including the cost of shipping and the actual price of the canvases, I don't have to spend any more than $10 per canvas. And for this one in particular, it'll only cost me $7.94. And that does include shipping. And I'd probably be able to sell this on my store for about $19.99, which is pretty good. I think this is a reasonable price. I wouldn't want to go any higher than that just because I'd be afraid people wouldn't buy it. And as you can see, we get anywhere from 10 to 15 day shipping, which is ideal. A lot better than AliExpress where it takes like 60 days to arrive. But anyways, now that I've found all the products that I want to sell on my store, the next step is to actually create my Shopify store. And for how my store should look, obviously I want it to look like a legitimate brand, and so it's probably going to take me anywhere from 3 to 5 hours to build it. And of course, I'm going to be using Shopify to create my online store, and I do have a 14-day free trial, which is nice, so I don't have to pay any money for that. And I'll have a link to the free Shopify trial in the description of this video. But anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and work on the store, and I'll check back in with you once it's done. Okay, so I finally finished the store, and honestly, it was really quick to build. It only took me about 1 hour. But before I show you the store, I want to share a huge announcement with you. So I've finally come out with a dropshipping mentorship as highly requested. Basically, how this mentorship would work is you would have my guidance and my team's guidance to help you build and scale multiple successful dropshipping businesses. Here's one of the dropshipping businesses that I am currently running at the moment. And so the goal with this mentorship is to help you get to this level with your own dropshipping stores. So if you're serious about this opportunity, you can apply to the mentorship using the link in the description of this video. And you can DM me on Instagram at Sara Finance with the message mentorship. I will be responding to all DMs. But anyways, now that that's out of the way, I do want to show you the Shopify store that I just created. So this store was really easy to make. I just made sure to add high quality images on each product page. I also added a brief description and the product variants. I also always like to add the shipping and return info to the product page. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The store looks clean and simple. But anyways, now that I'm done setting up my store, the next thing I have to focus on is advertising. Now, usually what I do for all my dropshipping businesses is just post viral videos on all social media platforms to advertise my products. But this time around, I'm only going to be using TikTok. And instead of actually creating viral videos with my product, I'll just be creating videos in the money and motivation niche on TikTok. And so my hope is I can create a lot of viral videos. That way I can drive traffic to my store, which will be linked in my TikTok bio. And I see a lot of theme pages doing the exact same thing, so I'm hoping that I can also do the same. Now, the main issue with TikTok TikTok is the fact that you actually can't put a link in your bio until you reach 1,000 followers. But honestly, because I am really good at creating viral content, I do think I can hit 1,000 followers within 2 to 3 days, and so I should be fine for that. But now you're probably wondering, how am I even going to be able to create viral videos on my account? So my plan is just to search up money or motivation on TikTok and look through all those videos and see which ones are the most viral. And whatever videos performed really well, I'm just going to go ahead and recreate them and post them on my page. And the main reason to do this is because if a video has already gone viral on TikTok, it's also likely to go viral on your account. And a nice thing with TikTok is if you create a brand new account and post a video on the very first day the account was created, for some reason TikTok always just boosts that video a lot more than usual. And obviously if your first video goes viral, then it's also likely that your other videos will get views as well. So my plan is to post as many viral videos on my account in the beginning as possible. That way TikTok can boost my account and I can reach 1,000 followers quickly. But anyways, I found a bunch of viral videos that I can recreate and post on my account. And so what I'm going to do now is actually use the website Canva to make these videos. But anyways, the very first video I want to make is this one. It got a lot of views and I do assume it will do well on my account as well. So in order to remake this video, all I have to do on Canva is click TikTok video frame. And then now I just have to find clips from Canva that are the same as the ones in the video. Alright, so I found a bunch of clips and photos and here's what I have so far. And I think it looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and download this and then upload it to TikTok. Okay, so I'm about to post this video to TikTok and here's what it looks like. So I pretty much use the same audio, caption, and hashtags as the original video. So I am really hoping that this does go viral. And like I said before, if the first video you post on TikTok blows up, it's also likely that your other videos will blow up as well. So fingers crossed this happens to me. But anyways, I'm pretty much done now, and so I just have to wait and be patient and see what happens with my video. And I am going to be consistent and continue to post at least 1 to 2 videos every single day. And obviously the hope is I hit 1,000 followers very quickly. So I'll check back in with you in a couple of days and show you what ends up happening to my TikTok account. Okay, so I'm checking in on day 3 now, and honestly, I'm very shocked with the results so far. So I already gained over 2,600 followers, and literally all I did to do this was pretty much just recreate viral videos. So I guess this goes to show that literally anyone can just come and copy the strategy and potentially get a lot of followers and views on TikTok. And in my TikTok bio, what I actually did was say free stuff, and then I put a link to a link tree instead of my actual store. The reason I'm doing this is in hopes that people will actually be more inclined to click on the link, even though there's only one free thing, and the main thing I want them to click on is the store. And honestly, I was actually planning on running TikTok ads since I have a $100 budget. However, I decided not to since my page is already doing really well. But anyways, we do have a couple days left of this challenge, and I am really excited to see what ends up happening. So I'll update you in a few more days once I have the results. Okay, so it's day 7 and I'm honestly very shocked with the results, to say the least. So I only posted a few TikTok videos on my account, but because they were really good, they were able to get me a lot of views and followers. And I was able to get over 3,000 followers in just 1 week by following this strategy. So now you can see for yourself how easy it can actually be to grow on TikTok. And see, you don't have to post thousands of videos. Obviously, I always say quality over quantity. But anyways, I do want to show you how well the videos performed. So this was my most viral video and it actually got me over 1,000 followers. This video here also did really well and got me a bunch of followers, but honestly a lot of my videos popped off and I was able to get a lot of followers from them. And I was able to get these results from a very simple strategy that I follow, which I'll share with you right now. So like I mentioned before, if you start a brand new TikTok account and from the very beginning you start posting quality content that goes viral, TikTok for some reason just automatically boosts your account. So your first 6 videos should be your very best and they should be viral worthy. And my biggest piece of advice for TikTok is honestly just be patient. All it really takes is just one viral video to blow up your entire account. And so once you get that one viral video, honestly, it just becomes so much easier after that. But anyways, on to the exciting part, how much money did my dropshipping business make? So the dropshipping business made $173.93. My target was obviously over $2,000, but that was not possible in 1 week. However, I think if I ran this store for a month, I would be able to hit $2,000. But regardless, this amount is very good for 1 week, especially because I am just testing things out. And something I do want to mention is just by using the Shopify app Aftersell, I was able to make an extra $34 for free. And Aftersell is completely free if you have up to 50 orders per month, so you might as well add the app to your store. I'll leave a link for Aftersell in the description of the video if you want to check it out. And let's say I was going to continue running this store, I definitely would promote the product as well on Pinterest and Instagram Reels for free. And I do talk about how you can do all of this inside of my dropshipping mentorship. So if you're interested in getting mentored by me one-on-one, you can apply using the link in the description of this video. But anyways, moving on now now, I do actually want to go over all the expenses and reveal the net profit of my dropshipping business. So the Shopify domain was $16. I am on a 14-day free Shopify trial, so I didn't have to pay any money to Shopify. The Shopify and PayPal fees were around $7. The product cost for this was $47.64, and the cost of this was $25.89. And so my total profit was $77.40. This is really good. It's very close to a 50% profit margin. So what you should learn from this video is you should be taking advantage of TikTok. It's a really easy way to advertise your products for free. And honestly, it has never been easier than now to start. One of the dropshipping stores that I'm running right now is mainly using TikTok to advertise for free. And this business made over $500,000 so far. And my plan is to scale this business and eventually sell it for 6 figures. And again, if you do want to apply to my mentorship program, I'll have a link for it in the description of this video. But anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.